This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for editing photos. Open Canva and create a new design, then upload your photo and choose the Edit Image option to begin enhancements. Start with Auto Enhance, adjust exposure and contrast, then use Crop and Resize for framing. Apply filters sparingly, remove background if needed, and save versions as you go to preserve originals. Export in PNG for high quality or JPG for smaller files before sharing. Use the crop tool to set composition, then try the adjust settings for clarity and color balance. Use the blur and vignette tools to direct attention, and the sharpen tool sparingly to avoid noise. For portraits, use the background remover and the retouch tools to smooth skin or remove blemishes. Work in layers by duplicating the photo before heavy edits and name each version to track progress. Keep originals backed up in Canva or offline storage. Export your finished photo with the correct format and dimensions for the platform you plan to use. Choose PNG for transparency, JPG for smaller size, and PDF for prints when needed. Use the quality slider to balance file size and clarity, and test different settings before finalizing. Save a high-resolution master, then export web-optimized copies for social media or email to ensure fast loading and consistent appearance. Label files clearly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.